Hi friends, Dr. Nancy Tremblay here, putting the power and knowledge of your health back in your hands. I want to thank Dr. Wendling of Colorado for this information. I had a continuing ed seminar with her recently, and I learned about the 3 cores. There's 3 cores in your body, not just one. And if you do a little bit of work every day, it can help to strengthen your core to lift and support your spine at 3 different levels. The first level I'm going to show you, and it has something to do with these tiny pieces of tape I have here on my belly. That is the core that we're used to, the abdominal core. And the way that we strengthen that is by using the deepest, most muscle, which actually starts from your back, wraps around the front, and creates a brace for your back. It's called the Transverse Abdominis. And the way you do this core strength exercise is you think about pulling your navel towards your spine. And if you put your thumbs on your seams of your shirt and then put your hands right here where these pieces of tape are and pull your navel in, you should feel your waistline expand out. That's why I have these arrows pointing out. You should feel your waistline expand out. And that way you're activating that transverse abdominis. A lot of times when people do crunches, they're actually creating more strength in a different level of muscle, a more superficial level. If we want to strengthen the core to support the spine, we're going to want to strengthen the core that involves the transverse abdominis. So you frame your navel with your fingertips. Your thumbs are on your seams and you pull your navel towards your spine and feel your waistline go outward. You should try to do this, and she says 50 to 100 times a day. Just pull it in, relax, pull it in, relax. And you can do this anytime. You can do it while you're standing, while you're sitting, while you're driving. And as long as you're not doing this all the time, people may not even know you're doing it. That's core number 1. Core number 2 is the upper thoracic core. And I have these pieces of tape on my scrubs to show you what the action is. You want to pull your shoulder blades towards your butt as though you want to put the blades in your back pockets. So you pull your shoulder blades down, and you pulse that way. Pull your shoulder blades down, and that will improve your posture and also strengthen the upper spine so it can be supported. That is number 2. Pull your shoulder blades towards your back pockets. Core number 3 is this pelvic core. And this one you can also do all day long without anybody noticing you're doing it. You pull your glute muscles underneath. So that will create a little bit of a tilt to your pelvis. And again, you could do this while you're driving, while you're standing, while you're cooking, while you're doing dishes, while you're brushing your teeth. These are all things that you can do throughout the day. And each one of these cores, core number 1, core number 2, core number 3, you should try to shoot for 50 to 100 reps of that pull and release, pull and release. So try to do that every day for me because it will help my job be easier on adjusting your spine to keep you well and keep all your organs and tissues functioning at their optimum. Be well. Bye for now.